In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Incognito Mode in ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive in. Have you ever felt like you're being watched while brainstorming a sensitive project or trying to keep a private idea hidden? Perhaps you're using a shared account at work or maybe even at home, and you'd prefer not to clutter your entire chat history with every random question that pops into your head. Sure, you can clear your browser history, but what about ChatGPT? Unlike your regular browsing, ChatGPT usually maintains a permanent record of every interaction right in the sidebar, visible for anyone who might glance over. Today I'm excited to show you how to hide your tracks instantly using ChatGPT's Incognito Mode, which they've cleverly named Temporary Chat. This is a fantastic feature for anyone looking to keep their inquiries under wraps. First, let's get started by opening your main ChatGPT dashboard. Take a moment to position yourself comfortably at your computer and navigate to the ChatGPT interface. Once you're there, make your way to the very top right-hand corner of your screen. You should see an option called Temporary Chat. Go ahead and click or toggle that switch on. Once you activate this feature, you'll notice a shift in the interface. The chat window will look a bit different, and if you glance at the sidebar where your chat history typically resides, you'll see it's being blocked off or grayed out. This is exactly what you want because it signals that you are now in a specialized private state. Congratulations! You can now type anything you want in that chat window. Feel free to ask about a secret business plan, a private medical question, or anything else that you'd prefer to keep confidential. What's great about Incognito Mode is that ChatGPT will respond just as it normally does, providing you with the information you need while keeping your conversation private. Now, after you've gathered the information you were after and you're ready to exit this private chat state, return to that same drop-down menu at the top left corner. Simply switch off the temporary chat function. And here's the magic. Once you do this, the entire conversation will vanish instantly. Yes, it's true. It won't show up in your history, nor will it be used to train future models. It's like it never existed, allowing you to maintain your privacy fully. You might be wondering why OpenAI maintains a history by default. The main reason is to help their systems learn from your interactions, allowing for more personalized and contextual responses over time. However, this does come with a downside, theoretically creating a digital paper trail. If someone were to glance at your screen, it could become an awkward situation, to say the least. It's a common misconception that simply deleting a chat after the fact is enough to ensure privacy. While it does remove it from your view, the data has already been logged. This is where using the temporary chat mode comes into play. It prevents the log from being created in your visible history at all. Now let me remind you that this incognito mode is not a total invisibility cloak from the internet. Your internet service provider might still know that you are visiting the ChatGPT site. However, as far as the ChatGPT platform itself is concerned, your secrets stay completely with you. So now you have the confidence to jump in, seek out the answers you need, and disappear without leaving a single trace behind. Isn't that empowering? Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button so you can stay updated with more useful tips and tricks in the future. Happy chatting!